with likely part 3 of this Hyundai. I diagnosed this originally as a, well, that's loose, as having a bad driver for the injector number 2. The ECM is unavailable, so they got a used one, and these you cannot clone with a traditional, doesn't have a traditional EEPROM. It's in the MCU. I do not have the tooling for that, but anyway, they did that repair. That's permanent now. Also has some vacuum leaks. I think they put a new throttle body on it because this was leaking pretty bad. They have this code P1500, which I cannot find any information on it for this. This is a 2003 Sonata. They want me to replace the speed sensors. Problem is, crappy ones, both the same part numbers. But when I look up the part numbers, they are different part numbers, so I don't know which goes to where. On closer inspection, all I did was look at these numbers. I don't know which one goes where, but there is a difference. We got one goes straight up connector, the other one goes at a 90. Hello, Mike. What's up? But going off of this, they're not interchangeable as far as the connectors, so we'll see about that. Here's the one speed sensor. This is the output, I believe. This one down here is the input. This clip is busted. So, and this one here is probably busted too. Well, this one doesn't look busted. Where is it? I think it might be busted. Supposedly these are non-interchangeable. I didn't diagnose this vehicle to be a speed sensor. I kind of want to be done with this vehicle. I looked up the speed sensor parts and they're like $240. And I got this CarQuest stuff. I guarantee it's not the same quality. That didn't help. Same friggin' part. I'm replacing this part with another of the same. Yeah, it's just a helical gear. How do I know if it's on the end? I don't have the original. When I went to tighten this bracket here, tighten that bracket for the loom, it pulled on it and it snapped it completely. So I can't fix it this way. As much as he would like me to, just wing it or something, I can't do that. It's got to be fixed right. Okay, it's busted. He's not around right now, but what I want to do right now is I want to put this together, and it's easy enough to take apart. It's literally just two 10mm bolts and the snorkel airbox comes off. I have plenty of room. I just want to make sure that when I put this airbox on here, it's not messing with this connection here. I just don't know what this person's going to do when it comes time for inspection, because the VIN in this PCM is not the correct VIN. But it runs. Yeah, that's that wonderful repair there. Temporary, permanent. and he is trying to get the connections for that. I'm probably going to leave it alone, and they're going to do the repair, probably nice and tidy like that one is.